And there are many things that trouble us in the finance bill. But a key aspect for us is the VAT that is being proposed to move in terms of bread from 0 to a standard rate of 16. So when you look at that, it then means the bread will move from around 65 Kenyan shillings to around 80. And when you're looking at that aspect and food security, that is a critical aspect to us. And within the bread, you also look at the packaging, where government is also saying they're introducing an eco-levy of 150 shillings per kilogram. So that again would increase the cost of bread, and this is a staple in most families. Linked to that, Trevor, is also the proposed tax on oil. And so that also sees the shift in terms of pricing of that product, looking at a jerrycan of 20 litres from around 4,000 to 6,000 thereof, with an increase of around 2,691. So when a government speaks about agriculture being the backbone of its economy, what would be the ripple effect of that on even the farmers who are producing the wheat that makes the bread? So the introduction of VAT on essential products